Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter Bersabet Taghla, and coming up are the major headlines for today. President ERi-TV in Johannesburg for the BRICS Africa outreach. Harat Transportation Company opens a new route. Japan to release Fukushima water. And authorities on alert for new spate of blazes in Greece. On your local reports, on invitation of President Cyril Ramaphosa of the Republic of South Africa, President ERi-TV arrived in Johannesburg, South Africa in the early afternoon hours of today to attend the BRICS Africa outreach and BRICS Plus dialogue, which will be convened as part of the BRICS Summit on 24 August in Johannesburg. Upon arrival at the Oliver Tambo International Airport, President Isaias was accorded a warm welcome by Dr. Joe Fala, Minister of Health of that country, along with other senior government officials. At the sideline of the summit, President Isaias will also meet and hold talks with various government and state leaders. The presidential delegation includes Mr. Usman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs. BRICS comprises Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, and currently over 20 countries have formally applied to join the alliance. The summit is expected to focus, among others, sustainable development and inclusion of the global south in multilateral systems, and a number of countries have been invited to attend. On your last local report, Harat Transportation Company has opened a new route from Asmara to Addifeletsti, Dubarwa subzone, starting from 20 August. Mr. Nugusa Geresgiher, acting manager of the company, said that the new route covers 36 kilometers from Dubarwa town and called on the residents to conduct regular follow-up of the road for its sustainability. Mr. Frewengel Taghla-Haymanot, administrator of the subzone, on his part said that residents of 13 administrative areas in the subzone will become beneficiaries of the transportation facility and congratulated the residents. The residents on their part expressed readiness to conduct regular follow-up on the road for its sustainability. Addifeletsti administrative area in Dubarwa subzone is located 66 kilometers from Asmara. Dear viewers, coming up is your international report. Please do stay with us. Welcome back. Japan said today it will start releasing more than 1 million metric tons of treated radioactive water from the wrecked Fukushima nuclear power plant on August 24, putting into motion a plan that has drawn strong criticism from China. The plan, approved 2 years ago by the Japanese government as crucial to decommissioning the plant operated by Tokyo Electric Power Company, has also faced criticism from local fishing groups. The announcement comes a day after the government said it had won a degree of understanding from the fishing industry over the release of the water, even as fishing groups said it still feared the reputational damage would ruin livelihoods. Japan has said that the water release is safe. The International Atomic Energy Agency and the UN nuclear watchdog green-lighted the plan in July, saying that it met international standards and that the impact it would have on people and the environment was quote-unquote negligible. On today's final report, several parts of Greece are on high alert as extreme temperatures and high winds threaten to spark more devastating wildfires. Extreme fire risk warnings have been issued over several regions in southern Greece, including around Athens. The capital has seen searing temperatures over summer, reaching up to 40 degrees centigrade. Dozens of fires broke out at the weekend, prompting thousands of residents to be evacuated. One of the worst fire fronts is near the port city of Alexandroupoli, close to the northeastern border with Turkey. Greece Fire Service said in a statement that fires over there have been burning for several days and 13 communities near the city were evacuated for the safety of the citizens. There are also fires burning in the eastern Radpi region and the northern city of Kaval. France, Cyprus and Romania have sent reinforcements to help Greek firefighters. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a very quick recap of today's major headlines. President Isaias Afwerki in Johannesburg for the BRICS Africa outreach. Harat Transportation Company opens a new route. Japan to release Fukushima water. And authorities on alert for new spate of blazes in Greece. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy the remaining of our programs.